Hello good people, my name is Rayboy KE from Young TV Kenya. On today's video I'm gonna teach us on how to dance hip hop dance style step by step. Please stay with me so that we can get to learn together, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button so that you can get notified each and every time I post a new video on how to dance. And let's get straight into the video. Peace. And so guys, let's get into our first dance style. This style, it goes like this: 1 2 1 2 to the right, 1 2 to the left, 1 2, and that's it. So I'm gonna do this style in a slower motion so that you can get to understand. All you need is like you're doing a dab. You know, for those who know dab, you're gonna do, it's like you're doing a dab and then you move the opposite hand like this. As you're going to the right, you go 1 2 to the left, 1 2 1 2 1 2. And you cannot do this style while you're standing. You have to lean a little bit to be in a lower level so that the style can look more good. And let's get into it in another way, like in a slower motion, so that you can get understand. We go to the right, to the left. You go 2 step, 2 step, I can see you're doing it. Okay. So let's do this style with more energy so that you can get to learn. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 to the right, to the left, to the right. Let's go. I can see you doing it. And that's it. So let's get into our second dance style. This style is very common in so many hip hop songs, and let's get into it. We do it like this: 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So all you need to include is your hand, and you have to move with the upper body, then with the lower body. I don't think this style is so hard. So all you need to include is your upper body and then your lower body. And as you're doing this style, you have to be jumping like so. As you are going, you hit, it's like you're hitting something. 1 2 on top, then 1 2 on the lower side. So let's get into this style in a slower motions. Let's go. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. I hope you guys can see the way my hands and my leg they sing. You get it? 2 10 ta 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 ta. And now you jump. And that's it. So guys, let's get into this time with more energy. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. And that's it guys. So guys, if you want to see this type of content each and every time, everywhere in this world, please subscribe into this channel so that you can get to learn each and every time and get notified each and every time I post a new video. And don't forget to click on that bell button so that you can get notified. Please join the family. I will be your host every time, Young TV Kenya. Peace, yo.